everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, and in this video I'm going to be going over some apps that can make you real money very quickly. Now this is not going to be life-changing money, this is not money that is going to let you retire, okay? But this is side money. This is money that you could use to pay some extra bills, or you take that money, maybe you invest with it, maybe you just want to buy, a nice gift, whatever you want the money for. These apps are going to help you get there. We're starting off with Kiki Time. Okay, this is on iOS and on Android. This is a very interesting app. You go into the description. Kiki empowers you to create beautiful stories to share with the world. Post about your travels, culture, food, interests, family, friends, classes, news, excitement, art, and etc. Okay, so basically you have to post every single day on this app and you could earn money doing so, all right? It has decent ratings. You could look over here. It's great, engaging app where writers connect. I like it, but this one, it's not perfect, okay? It's not the perfect app, and again, you're not going to make life-changing money on this. However, this app is a very simple way to basically make money just for posting, all right? So Kiki app is number 1 on our list, and yeah, this definitely could be an option for you if you're into social media, you're into posting, you're into writing. That's stuff a lot of people do anyways, might as well get paid for it, right? Next up on the list is Money app. This is basically a survey app where you get PayPal cash. A lot of people like getting that PayPal cash for some reason. Whenever I put PayPal cash in the description, my videos get more views. This is Money app. Okay, this is a high rated app. It's 165 in lifestyle. That might not sound like a good rating, but when you consider there's thousands of apps out there, 165 in a category is pretty good. It has 4.9 stars and has over 100,000 reviews. Okay, so this is a very well reviewed app. It's been out for some time now. And it's very simple to do. It's a lot of surveys, giving your opinion, doing small tasks, mystery shopping, testing services, free trials, things like that. All right, great app. Honestly, I was skeptical about the app when I first downloaded it 2 years ago. I didn't think I actually make any legit money on here, but honestly, it's great. All right, Glitch, the app is decent, but when it's working, there is some glitches. So you do have to watch that. Make sure your the app's not glitching out, things like that. Made like $5 in just 2 days. I mean, all you really have to do is play games and do surveys. Okay, it's high rated app. It's on iOS, and I believe this one is on Android as well. My only caveat about this is I think the app can be a little bit buggy, right? And that's what one of the reviewers said, but that shouldn't be an issue. I think they've fixed it by now. I don't personally use this app anymore because I have other online businesses that I have to, attend to. But when I was looking to make some extra money a few years ago, I was using this app probably about a year and a half ago, and this is a decent app for you. So that is Money app, okay? Next one on the list is very similar to Money app, but it's a little bit different, and that is BitToro Surveys. Take surveys and earn rewards. So this has about 250 reviews, 4.6 stars, so not as popular as Money app, but it has a decent reviews, okay? Exceeded my expectations, earned $1 right after I downloaded it, actually make money. These are all real reviews from people. Again, this is on iOS, and I believe it's on Android as well. Now, what makes this one pretty cool is the amount of payment options it has. You can see redeem earned points for PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. So if you're into cryptocurrency, if you're into things like that, like I am, then definitely this could be one of the better options for you versus Money app, and that's just because this one pays in Bitcoin if you want it to. Again, you could do PayPal, you could do gift cards, but this one can pay in Bitcoin, which is really, really cool. Now, I have one more on the list, but this one's a little bit different. This is not an app, the final one on my list. This is actually a program, okay? And I will link the program in the description of this video. So if you're wanting to make real money online, click that link down below. And that is the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. Again, link in the description. Now, this program is not just videos. It's not just, teaching. It does more than teach you. It really holds your hand and helps you build your own online affiliate marketing business, okay? And this, again, will be linked down below in the description. This is for people who don't want to make side money, but actually want to make good money online, who want to actually have a shot at making a full-time income online. All right, so if that does interest you, if you're interested in working from home, working on the computer, click that link down below in the description, Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. This will take you from knowing absolutely nothing to being an absolute expert on affiliate marketing. Now, the reason I like this program is because a lot of other programs are just video courses. This has video, this has written stuff, this has actual tasks that you do in this thing that will take you, basically it'll give you experience, okay? And that's why I like this program. It really will give you experience when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, okay? And if you're wondering what affiliate marketing is, again, click that link in the description. You gotta find out. This is where all the people online are making the most money. That's affiliate marketing, and you want to learn how to do that, you get the course in the description. And I don't really like the word course. It's more of a program because it's not just videos. Like I said, kind of consider it like this, right? There is, if you want to learn to be a mechanic, you're gonna, do a lot of reading, a lot of stuff in textbooks. But then when you really want to learn, you go out and start fixing cars, right? Usually there's like a auto shop or whatever in the school or whatever like that. And that's basically analogous to this program because this doesn't just teach you, it actually shows you what to do, how to do it, how to drive traffic, how to convert sales, and how to make a full-time income online. So again, if that does interest you, click the link in the description. Guys, that's the 4 options on my list. The first 3 are good side money. The final one is if you want to make real full-time income online. It's been a great video, guys. I will catch you next time. And as always, have a great day.